Kyle with K&J Lumber here. We got a load in from our kiln. Well, not our kiln. The people that we have our lumber dried at. We got some beautiful walnut here, black walnut, and some red cedar. If you remember my last video, I was very wrong about the species that we were cutting, but I am right about this. Is red cedar and some white cedar mixed in. I'll show it to you. There you go. Beautiful 12-foot black walnut on top. And then some red cedar below, mixed in with some white cedar below that. That's some beautiful stuff there. Beautsk.